My name is Anneke. I'm 31 years old. They call me curious and inquisitive. Oh, and funny and sweet too. I have a severe intellectual disability and autism. Sometimes I do things that other people do not understand. They call it complex behavior. But you know, I don't always understand other people's behavior towards me either. My vision and my hearing are not very good. As a result of that, I get scared easily, especially when I don't see or hear someone coming. I have been living in a nice group home at an Ipse de Bruggen estate for 10 years now. Together with 8 roommates, we live in a large house, but we all have our own private bedrooms and bathrooms. We do share the living room, our garden, and a kitchen. This is my room. I have a bed, a table, and a chair, and my own bathroom. I also got a picture board and a picture of the farm. My closet with clothes is in the hallway. Before I came here, I lived with my mom on the farm. We had cows and chickens and my sweet dog Twinkie. My mommy had a sheepskin for me, where I loved to snuggle into. But then it didn't work between us anymore. Sometimes I get very angry and I'm very strong. I miss my mom. I would rather still live with her at the farm. I have a nice picture of the farm in my room. The glass in the frame is broken, but I can still see the picture, see the farm. I love being outside in nature. I love how it feels running my fingers through the grass. It smells so nice and fresh. The light from the sun, the colors of the flowers. I like to pause and gaze into the light in front of me. Joost often accompanies me for a walk outside. Joost takes care of me during the day. He is my regular meerzorg caretaker. I love having him around because he structures my day, tells me what is planned or what I have to do. I don't like not knowing what is going to happen or not knowing what is expected from me. It makes me angry and insecure. And then I start growling and biting very hard. I start biting myself or bite Joost or maybe someone else who is in my way. I'll destroy everything within my reach. My table, my chair, my door and my bed. It's all broken very often. I don't like being alone, but I often find the group way too busy. And then it makes me easily growl, scream and bite again. Of course, my roommates don't like that at all. That's why I'm in my own room most of the time, to find my peace. But I'm also bored here. All the stuff that I have is stuck to the wall or floor and made of sturdy material so that I cannot injure myself. My walls are empty, my floor is bare, and my door is heavy. Joost brings his own chair when he comes to join me in my room for dinner. I hate my bed. Stupid, ugly bed. When I lay down in there, it makes me feel all alone, gives me anxiety, and then I start hurting myself. I'd rather not go to sleep. In my own bathroom, I like to be in the shower. It feels like rain, and I like that tingly feeling. The water embraces me. But at night, I'm not allowed in. It would keep me awake all night, or I might slip and fall down on the wet floor. So the bathroom is locked. I can't go outside from my room to the garden on my own. First I have to go through a long corridor and then wait for the supervisor because I'm not allowed on my own. If I would be able to go outside on my own, I would lay in the grass all day. How wonderful would that be?